Hello, I'm Abigail of Ground and Grow Yoga, and today I have a quick Mommy and Me yoga class for you. I had the opportunity to have my friend Jen over, as well as her son, who's a little over 2.5 years old, and he was very excited to be doing yoga today, but a little nervous about being filmed. I hope you enjoy the class. Let's hop on our mats and get started.
You want to say, today we're doing yoga?
Say, today we're doing yoga.
Nice job. So, to start, we're going to lift our hands up nice and high towards the ceiling. Good. And they're going to move them down like a bird. So, up and down. Up and down. Up and down. And now we're going to swing them side to side. Side to side. Good job. We're going to reach up high again and then touch our toes. Nice. Come up slowly, reach up high, and touch our toes. Come up slowly, high again, and touch your toes. Now you're going to put your hands on the ground and come down like a frog. Be like a frog. So move your butt down. Good. Frog. And you're going to go side to side. What do frogs say? Know what frogs say? No?
Frogs go ribbit. Ribbit.
Ribbit. Okay, you're going to put your knees on the ground. Your hands out in front of you still. And now we're going to be a lion. Can you be a lion? So you're going to breathe in and then go with your tongue out. Breathe in with your tongue out. Nice job. Breathe in again. Okay. Come up on your knees and your hands like you're a table. You're a table. Okay. And then we're going to round our back like we're a Halloween cat. Good. Come forward. Bring your face out towards the wall. Good. And then round like a cat. Bring your head up. Round like a cat. Nice. Now you're going to reach your right arm out. Wiggle your fingers. And bring it down. Reach your left arm out. This one. This one. And wiggle your fingers. Good. Right arm, this hand, wiggle your fingers. Now you're going to take your fingers, you're going to go under your other arm. So bring your hand down, and bring this hand through to me. Nice job. Stretch like this. And come out. You put this hand here, and then you're going to give this hand to Mom. Let her take your hand. And stretch. Nice job. Come out of it. And put your hands down. Come up so your butt's up in the air. Like your little dog. There you go. And then you're going to kick your foot out behind you. Nice. Kick it out. Good. Then you're going to switch and kick your other foot out. Kick it as hard as you can.
Kick it.
Kick it.
Kick.
Kick at me.
Kick.
Nice job. Okay, now we're going to move our butt up to the sky like you were doing earlier. Nice job. Put your foot on the ground. Good. Bring your butt up. Put your feet on the ground. There we go. Good job. Nice job.
Exercise.
And then come back down. Okay. Now we're going to lay down like you were. Lay down. Nice job. Okay. We'll come to lay on our bellies just like you. Yep. And then, do you know how to swim? So we're going to practice swimming. So kick your feet. Move your arms. Good. Move your arms too. Your feet are doing a good job. Move your arms. Nice. Now you're going to put your hands on the ground. Bring your head up towards the ceiling like you're a snake. Be a snake. Nice job. Okay, come up. We're going to come all the way back up to standing. Reach your hands tall again. Hands up towards the sky. And then we're going to lean to the side like we're making a moon. Good job. Come up straight.
Just like a lot.
And move to the side. Good. Come up. Okay, and now we're going to get Mom to lay on her back. Okay, and you're going to come over to Mom.
Over here.
Come here.
Stand up.
We're going to... Okay, so I'm going to grab you, and Mom's going to put her feet up and grab your hands, so you're going to be a superhero. Okay, be a superhero and go up and down. Up and down. You feel like a superhero? Up and down. Up again and down. Nice job. Okay, now you're going to lay on your back too, just like Mom. Okay, so we're going to stretch our feet out wide. We're going to stretch our arms up like we're a star. So stretch your fingers out to the sides. Good. Nice. Being a star. Now you're going to take your foot, bring it up in the air. Both feet up in the air. Nice. And then bring them down. And then bring them up. And bring them down. And up. And down. And up. And down. And up. And hold them there. And then you're going to bend your knees. We're going to be like your sister. We're going to be a baby. So hold your toes. Move them around.
What do babies say? Nothing, that's right.
So move your feet around like a baby. Nice job. And stop. Roll up so that we're sitting. Crisscross applesauce. So cross your legs. So like this. Nice job. Okay. We're going to sit up nice and tall. And breathe in. And out. In. And out. In. And out. In. And out. Okay, now we're going to come back to lay on our back. And we're going to close our eyes like we're going to sleep. You don't have to go to sleep. Just close your eyes like you're going to sleep. And just breathe here. In and out. In and out. Put your hands on your belly. Feel it rise when you breathe in and go down when you breathe out. In and out. Good job. In and out. Come back up. Put your hands together and say, Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. Nice job. You did it.
Good job.
If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like as well as subscribe. By subscribing, you help me to be able to continue to make free content. If you would like to see more Mommy and Me yoga videos, please let me know. And leave a comment below what exactly you would like to see. Have a wonderful day. Continue to ground down into your strengths and to grow as an individual. Namaste.